For those of you who have been exercising diligently, but your body is still like that. Either the stomach is still distended, fat is still everywhere. Take note of these two important things, bro. First, you're not working out hard enough. Second, you don't watch your diet. Here, I want to discuss the first point first. You're not working out hard enough. How do you know if you're exercising optimally? 1. Make sure the exercise you're doing is weightlifting, because weightlifting is the most optimal exercise to improve your body. You can lift weights with a barbell, or you can lift your own body weight. Most guys think that when they jog, ride a bike, play futsal, badminton, or volleyball, it's already a strenuous exercise, when in fact, bro, those are cardio exercises. Sure, cardio can build muscle, but it takes a long time, especially if you don't control your snacking after cardio. You might end up gaining a lot of fat. So instead of wasting 2-3 hours of your time for a leisurely workout like jogging or cycling, it's better to spend your time lifting weights. Lift your own body weight if you don't want to go to the gym. You can do push-ups, sit-ups, pull-ups. If it's intense, 45 minutes of this exercise is much more effective in building muscle than hours of soccer or leisurely cycling. 2. Find a weight training program that suits your time and condition. Googling, checking YouTube, there are many training programs that you can copy. Just do it. Search for full body weight exercise program if you want to lift weights, focusing on lifting your own body weight. So no need to go to the gym. Make sure the program is suitable for your condition. 3. Make sure you've maxed out when lifting weights. If you lift weights but you don't do your best, it's useless. Your muscles won't build. There are 2 signs that your workout is maximal. First, your heart is racing. Second, your muscles are so hot that you can't lift anymore. So to avoid wasting time, make sure you get these 2 things when lifting weights. 4. Make sure you're doing it often enough, at least 3 times a week. 1 session, between 45 minutes to 1 hour. If you're getting used to it, you can make it 4-5 times a week. The point is to be consistent and disciplined. Missing a workout once or twice is okay. But after that, continue immediately. Don't stop halfway. And don't think instant, bro. You have to be patient. The first one, 2 months, are the hardest, because your body is still shocked and the changes in your body may not be visible yet. Most people give up in this period. The logic is this, bro. You've not exercised regularly for how many years? How many years have you not taken care of your food? How many years have you been cruel to your own body? The result is that, bro, fat on the body. So it doesn't make sense that the bad things you've done to your body over the years will disappear after a week or 2 of training. Don't worry, bro. If you're consistent, I'm sure you can have a good and healthy body. Subscribe for more valuable content from this channel and become the true alpha gentleman.